On 9th June 2025, in the historic city of Nice, President Emmanuel Macron and First Lady Brigitte Macron graciously welcomed Maulana Shah Rahim Al Husseini, Aga Khanvi, the 50th hereditary Imam of the Shia Ismaili Muslims and a globally respected spiritual leader known for his commitment to peace, pluralism, and human development.